Let's make a delicious Chana Chaat, a tasty, tangy, Pakistani street food for any time of the day. Perfect choice for a healthy Ramadan iftar. Start by boiling 1½ cup of chickpeas. It was soaked overnight. Or it should be soaked for at least 2 hours before boiling. After 45 minutes of boiling, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Continue boiling until tender. After that, switch off the heat. Strain the chickpeas and save 1 cup of its water. Set aside. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of chickpeas flour. Roast it on low heat until it changes its color to light golden. Set aside. Now make the mint chutney. Blend 1/4 cup of mint leaves and 2 medium green chilies. Add 1/4 cup of water. Blend it to get a smooth paste. Set aside. Now gather 2 dried red chilies, 2 tablespoons of whole coriander, and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Roast it on low to low medium heat. Set aside. Gather some more spices. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1 bay leaf, 5 cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of mace, 3 green cardamom, 10 black pepper, 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks 2-inch length each, and 1 teaspoon of citric acid. Now grind all spices together, including roasted one. Set aside. Now boil 2 small potatoes, peeled and cut into wedges. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food color. Food color is optional. You can skip it if you want. When potatoes are tender, strain the water. Cut the potatoes into small bite-sized pieces. Cut 1 medium-sized tomato into small slices. 1 medium onion into finely cut slices. Soak 2 tablespoons of tamarind in hot water for 10 minutes. Using spoon, break down the tamarind. Here we go. We have done all preparations for the final step. Now add 1/4 cup of olive oil to the pan. On low-medium heat, add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, followed by boiled chickpeas. Cook it for 1 minute on medium heat, and add 1 cup of the chickpeas water, which we saved earlier. Now add roasted chickpea flour. Cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Add soaked tamarind. Add 1 teaspoon of black salt. Keep stirring on low heat. We need some liquid in the chickpeas. Add mint chili paste, save some for the garnish. Mix it and switch off the flame. Let it rest until it comes to room temperature. After 30 minutes, add rest of the ingredients. First potatoes, tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. It will give a fresh crunch. Now add the spice mix according to your taste. You can add more of it if you like spicy food. You can save it for the next time. Combine it gently. Sprinkle chopped cilantro. Pour leftover mint chili paste. Some of the spice mix over it. Beautiful looking, delicious chickpea snack is ready. Enjoy this zesty, healthy snack, perfect for Ramadan iftar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.